Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I open my work at 9 in the morning and I also check all my mail and over there inbox and beta team and channel. We have got there to bill receipt and collect. And then I go to my regular work, that was Frontier. Today I work research on Frontier. In the meantime, you I have called a meeting and we talk about and done of my rest of my computer setting work. So everything done properly. Thank you for that. And suddenly our electricity down, for that our connection disconnect, so sorry for that. And then I go to my regular work and work on, and I have got some product from Frontier, and I also set it on my channel. I have a say, and Rabbi also send you a video, some issues. Please see the video, and there are some issues. Please try to solve that. And I said about our connection, that is now is so poor connection. What is the reason, we don't know, but we have a news that in our country now, about our national election within short time. So in the meantime, maybe our mail connection will be not in proper condition. So that's why we have to work very not in good condition actually. So that's all, and I have got some product. I have got many products, but many of them are already taken actually. That's why I have got lastly some product and set it here. So today is the last day of this week, so next week we have to work as your instruction about our product research and other things like process sheet. So till then, bye, and thank you for watching my video.